Have you ever felt tired from trying to control everything? Tired of overthinking every situation, worrying about every outcome, and wondering when life will finally start getting better? So many people spend their days carrying pressure in their hearts because they believe they must have all the answers right now. They try harder, think harder, and push harder, hoping that somehow life will suddenly change. But sometimes the biggest change does not happen when we hold on tighter. Sometimes it begins when we finally let go. Trusting the universe does not mean sitting still and doing nothing. It does not mean giving up on your dreams or pretending problems do not exist. It means believing that life is working in ways you cannot always see. It means understanding that not every answer needs to arrive today. Some things take time. Some blessings need preparation. Some doors stay closed because better ones are waiting to open. There is a quiet peace that enters your life when you stop fighting every moment. And maybe today is the day you begin to realize that life was never asking you to control everything. Maybe life was simply asking you to trust. Many people want to trust the universe, but deep inside, they struggle. And the reason is simple. Life has hurt them before. Maybe they trusted someone and got disappointed. Maybe they prayed for something and never received it. Maybe they waited, hoped, and believed, only to feel like nothing changed. Little by little, pain creates doubt. And without realizing it, people begin building walls around their hearts. When life becomes difficult, fear slowly takes control. The mind starts asking endless questions. What if things never work out? What if I fail? What if I miss my chance? What if nothing changes? And the more these thoughts grow, the harder it becomes to trust anything beyond what the eyes can see. People begin searching for instant answers because uncertainty feels uncomfortable. But life does not always move according to our timing. The truth is, not seeing results immediately does not mean nothing is happening. Sometimes we become impatient because we want proof before we believe. We want tomorrow's answers today. But trust works differently. Trust asks you to keep moving forward even when you cannot see the whole path. And for many people, that may be one of the hardest lessons life ever teaches. One of the biggest reasons people lose faith is because they believe that if they cannot see movement, then nothing is happening. But life does not work that way. Think about a seed planted deep in the ground. For a while, everything looks empty on the surface. There are no flowers, no leaves, no signs of growth. Yet underneath, something important is taking place. Roots are forming. Growth is happening in silence. Life often works in the same way. The universe may be arranging things behind the scenes long before you see results. The right people may be moving closer to your path. New opportunities may be forming. Certain situations may be changing in ways you cannot yet understand. Sometimes delays are not punishment. Sometimes they are preparation. Many people give up too early because they think nothing is changing. They become discouraged after looking at only what their eyes can see. But not everything important happens in front of you. Some of the greatest changes happen quietly, step by step, in places you cannot see yet. Just because today looks the same does not mean tomorrow will. Sometimes life is still working for you, even during the moments when it feels completely silent. And maybe silence is not absent at all. Maybe silence is preparation. There comes a moment in life when constantly pushing and forcing everything becomes exhausting. You keep trying to make things happen, trying to fix every problem, trying to control every detail. And after a while, your mind feels heavy, your heart feels tired. Because the truth is, forcing life to move according to your plans creates pressure. It creates stress, and sometimes it pulls you further away from peace. Many people misunderstand what it means to let go. They think letting go means giving up or stopping effort, but letting go is not quitting. Letting go is releasing fear. It is choosing not to carry the weight of every unanswered question. It is saying to yourself, I will do my part, but I will not destroy my peace trying to control everything. When you allow instead of force, something inside you begins to change. You breathe differently. You think differently. You stop chasing every answer and start trusting the process of life, because what truly belongs to you does not always need to be forced. Some things arrive naturally. Some opportunities find you at the right time. Some blessings enter your life when you stop gripping so tightly. Sometimes the peace you have been searching for does not come from getting more control. Sometimes it comes from finally allowing yourself to trust. Everything in life carries energy, including your thoughts, feelings, and the words you repeat to yourself every day. Many people do not realize how much their inner world affects their outer world. When your mind is filled with fear, worry, and doubt, life can start feeling heavy. You begin expecting problems before they happen. You prepare yourself for disappointment before good things even have a chance to arrive. But when trust enters your heart, your energy begins to shift. You wake up differently. You move through the day differently. Instead of constantly asking, what if everything goes wrong? You slowly begin asking, what if things are working out for me? That small change may seem simple, but it changes more than people realize. Trust creates calmness. Trust creates hope. It gives your mind permission to rest. And when you stop filling your thoughts with fear, you create space for something better. You begin noticing opportunities you once ignored. You feel more grateful. You feel lighter inside. The energy you carry becomes the energy you share with the world. And sometimes life begins changing, not because everything around you suddenly changes, but because something within you changes first. When your energy shifts from fear to trust, your experience of life can begin shifting too. Sometimes the universe speaks in ways that are quiet and easy to miss. Many people expect big signs, dramatic moments, or instant answers. But often, guidance enters life in simple ways. It can appear through a feeling you cannot explain, a conversation you were not expecting, or a moment that suddenly gives you peace. Have you ever thought about someone and then they suddenly called you? Have you ever met a person by chance and later realized they changed your life? Have you ever kept seeing the same message, the same words, or felt strongly pulled toward a certain direction? Many people call these small coincidences, but sometimes they may be reminders that life is moving in ways greater than we understand. The problem is that people often become so focused on what is missing that they overlook what is already appearing. They spend so much time looking for giant miracles that they miss the little signs standing right in front of them. The universe does not always shout. Sometimes it whispers. Sometimes it gently guides you one small step at a time. And when you begin trusting more, you may start noticing that life has been sending you signs all along. You were never as alone as you thought. One of the biggest causes of stress in life is the need to control everything. People want to know exactly when things will happen, how they will happen, and what every step will look like. They want certainty before they move forward. But life rarely gives complete answers at the beginning, and the harder people try to control every detail, the more pressure they create inside themselves. Think about how much energy gets wasted worrying about things that have not even happened yet. Hours of overthinking, endless questions, sleepless nights. So much of life becomes heavy because the mind keeps trying to solve every problem before it even arrives. But carrying tomorrow's worries today only steals peace from the present moment. Letting go of control does not mean becoming careless. It means accepting that some things are simply beyond your power. You can choose your actions. You can choose your attitude. You can choose your effort. But you cannot control every outcome, every person, or every moment. There is freedom in understanding this. There is peace in saying, I will do my best, and I will trust the rest. Because sometimes the greatest gift you can give yourself is not more control. Sometimes it is finally allowing your heart to rest. Gratitude has a quiet power that many people overlook. Most people spend their days focusing on what is missing. They think about what they still do not have, what has not happened yet, and what still needs to change. Without realizing it, they train their minds to notice lack. They become so focused on reaching the next thing that they forget to appreciate what is already present in their lives. But gratitude changes where your attention goes. It gently shifts your focus from what is absent to what is already here. It reminds you that even in difficult seasons, there is still something to be thankful for. Maybe it is your health. Maybe it is a person who cares about you. Maybe it is another sunrise, another chance, another day to begin again. The beautiful thing about gratitude is that it creates trust. When you pause and recognize the blessings already around you, you begin realizing that life has supported you before. You remember all the moments you once worried about, but somehow made it through. You begin seeing that even during hard times, life never completely abandoned you. And the more grateful you become, the more peace enters your heart. Because gratitude does not say life is perfect. It simply says, I see the good that is already here, and I trust that more good is on the way. Real change does not begin outside of you. It begins within you. Many people spend years waiting for life to change first. They tell themselves, I will feel happy when things improve, or I will trust when I finally see results. But life often works in the opposite way. Sometimes you must become the person first before the change arrives. Ask yourself this simple question. How would the version of you who truly trusts the universe think? How would that person speak? How would that person walk through life each day? That person would not spend every moment expecting disappointment. That person would not wake up each morning filled with fear. They would carry a quiet belief that something good is coming, even if they cannot see it yet. Trust is not just a thought. It becomes a way of living. It becomes the energy you bring into each day. You begin making decisions from hope instead of fear. You begin speaking with confidence instead of doubt. You begin acting like someone who believes life is working in their favor. And little by little, something starts changing. Because when you become the person who already believes good things are coming, you stop living like someone waiting for life to begin. You start living like someone who already knows their blessings are on the way. And maybe that is the message you were meant to hear today. You do not need to have every answer right now. You do not need to control every step, every moment, or every outcome. Life was never asking you to carry that burden alone. Trusting the universe is not about pretending that problems do not exist. It is about believing that even during uncertain moments, life can still be working in your favor. Remember, some things are growing even when you cannot see them. Some blessings are finding their way to you right now. Some answers are arriving at the perfect time. Keep moving forward. Keep believing. Keep opening your heart to possibility. Trust a little more. Fear a little less. Because sometimes the life you have been waiting for begins the moment you stop fighting everything and start trusting the journey. If this message connected with your heart today, take a moment and comment below, I trust the universe. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more positive messages and powerful inspiration. Your next beautiful chapter may be closer than you think.